Okay, here we go. We're gonna try to do an eye look, and I'm gonna describe it to you as we go. So we're gonna take, we've already got our face done and our eyebrows. I'm gonna take Optimistic, and this is the liner shader brush. I'm taking the shader end, and we're just gonna take a line right underneath that eyebrow and then kind of bring it down on that outer part, coming down to that brow bone. If you get too much, you can always go back in and fix that with a plain, clean brush, and then go right into the tear duct, like so, to brighten up that eye. This just draws your eye up, gives you like a brighter eye, opens up your eye, doesn't make it look as hooded. And when you put your arch into your eyebrow, that actually helps bring it up as well. So there we've got our highlight and our brightening, and we're gonna take a blending brush, a fluffy blending brush. And let me see what color we wanna do today. I didn't really have these picked out, so here we go. We're gonna just do a really quick eye. So I'm gonna use Fervent here, and it's kind of like a burgundy. And we're gonna go with that blending brush, and we're gonna go on the brow bone, but we're going above the crease. So you're gonna take it all the way out to the edge of your eyebrow. You don't have to make this very, very neat or anything, because this is basically your blending shade. So, but you want it to be seen and pop out. So just like so, and then do the other side. Like I say, you're gonna be up on your brow bone, not in the crease. You want this color to be seen behind all of your other shades, and you're gonna go out to basically the end of your tail of your eyebrow. Okay, just like so. And then you're gonna grab your darkest shade, and you're gonna grab your fluffy crease brush. Let me clean mine off really fast. I'm gonna take a darker brown. This is more of a fall eye for you again. We're gonna do Nonsensical, which is a dark matte brown. And we're gonna take that fluffy crease brush, pack in the color, and then you're gonna do a greater than, less than. Tap that in, out here in that outer edge. Just tap that in into a sideways V, a greater than, less than sign, and then you're just gonna tap that a little bit in further. Okay, and then you're gonna take that same shade, and you're gonna go right under your lash line, about 3/4 of the way over, and do the other side. Greater than, less than. Tap it in first to make your little sideways V, and then just tap it in as far as you want it to go. I don't like mine to go in too far. And then we're gonna grab that and put it right underneath the lash line. That's gonna make your eye look a little bit bigger because you're not going all the way to the center. And then to make it easy, we're just gonna stop with a third color, and we're gonna use Gentle. Gentle is a shimmery champagne color. I'm almost out. We're gonna grab that liner shader brush and use the shader end again, or you can use your deluxe brush. Grab your toner, spritz it on a hard surface, and then you're gonna dip your brush down in that. Pick up your shimmery color. This is gonna make it more metallic. And you're gonna go from the inner, under the crease, and just butt that up against that darker shade. And even though that it is wet, it still will blend. Just takes a little bit more, just like this. And then you're gonna blend the edges together in just a minute. So dip your brush again, go back in and do the other side. You wanna do them both at the same time, just like this, instead of working on one eye at a time. So that way you can kind of gauge where you put the other one, and they're gonna be a little bit even. So just like that. And then you're gonna take that fluffy crease brush that had the brown on it, and you're just gonna do little circles all the way around that connection, okay? See how much softer that looks than over here? You don't want any harshness. And this just has enough product on it that it's going to blend it out but not take it away and make you have to put more on. And you guys know that I like a darker outer V area, so I'm dipping back into that dark chocolate and coming just in to that inner part. Okay, and it's just gonna darken that little tiny bit up. And then if you want to blend this out, I'm gonna tell you how easy that is. Just grab you like a neutral color, something light. So we're gonna do this, it's probably Timid, I think, and dip your fluffy blending brush in there. Just tap it and kind of dust it off. So you're just gonna tap that on there, and you're just gonna dust it off and see how much more blended that eye look looks. We're gonna add some eyeliner and some mascara, and I will show you the finished product as soon as I'm done. Hopefully this has helped. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.